Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a pie chart with the legends in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, category list and sales amount. To create pie chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie charts option and select the first one. And here you can see the pie chart inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. You can just drag the corner point and you can easily increase the size of this pie charts. And here I'm going to add the legend entries. So for that, click on this plus sign in charts elements. And charts element have a legends. This legends is already added, is showing the tick sign. This is a legend entries. Okay, this category. Okay, when you keep cursor, see the legend entries showing. Okay, now click on this arrow and you can set the legend entries where you want. If you want to right hand side of the pie chart, you can set the legend entry right. On the top you want, you can see the preview. The top is showing the legend entry. On the left, you can set the left side. On the bottom, you can set the bottom side. Click on the more option and here you can see in legend option there are some position is available. Same as top, bottom, left, right, top, right. Okay. And the show the legend without overlapping the chart. So I just untick this option and see the legend is showing without overlapping the chart. Okay. So you can set the legend's position where you want the positions in your pie chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.